Okay, so you'll also get a question similar to this. This is what's called a two-way table. And even by instinct, I'm pretty sure you guys can answer this. But in order to solve it the way we need to, you'll be presented with a question in a similar fashion. Complete the two-way table. So this is called a two-way table. And basically, you're just adding things together. So for example, if you look here, this is pretty much saying 9 plus something equals 15. Okay, now the easy thing about this is that this bottom row are totals of the rows and columns associated with them. So for example, this 15 is a total of these two. This empty box here is a total of these two. So it's you kind of have to fill it in before you can make the final answer for some of them. For example, if I want this total, I need to pretty much add up these three here. Okay, so it's nice and easy, very straightforward. And you want to look at the values that are the easiest to solve. So for example, if we look here, we have 9 plus something equals 15. And that something is clearly 6, because 9 plus 6 we know is 15. All right. Now, the next easiest thing to solve, I think, is this bottom row here. If I can work out this number here, then I've pretty much got the sum of these three to get us 70. So that's essentially what it means. So 15 plus something equals, plus 23 equals to 70. So what we need to do is just add those two together. We get 38. And then 38 plus something gives us 70. So that number, you just subtract it, you get 32. Okay? And now look at that. That opens up the opportunity to solve this one here. Okay? So something plus 12 equals 32. And that something, to get us 32, will have to be 20. Okay? So you can see how it works here. Now, this part here, we also need to total in. We also need to work out what the numbers will go here and here. Okay, so I think I'm missing a bit of information, because these could actually be anything. Right. Oh no. I actually forgot to write one of the piece of information here. We will say that this number is 34. So we'll say that's 34. Okay. Yep, so I just forgot one bit of information. So now, with that information there, we can solve this block here. So that means that if we have 6 plus 12 plus something equals to 34. We just have to work out this number. Now we know that 6 plus 12 is 18. And then 34, take away the value of those two, is 16. So 18 plus 16 will definitely give us 34. And once again, that opens up another opportunity here to answer. So something plus 16 and will equal to 23. And that something there will be 7. And finally, adding this up, 29 here plus 7, 36. That means that the total here is 36. And you can see 36 plus 34 will equal to 70. No matter where we look, your totals are going to add up correctly. If you did this correctly, all of those totals will add up. Okay, so nice and easy question to solve. Good collection of marks there. Now, if we look here, one car is chosen at random. Find the probability that the car chosen is a black Toyota. So if we look, we want a black Toyota, and you can see that it crosses here with the 7. All right, so basically the answer will be 7, and it looks like we have many totals, but the total number of cars is always the one here in this corner. Okay, that is all the cars added together. So that's actually going to be 7 out of 70. So the probability of a black Toyota is equal to 7 out of 70. Put that in your calculator, it'll simplify